This is Nitin Dahad with the Times, and I'm with the Flex Chief Commercial Officer, Michael Hartung. Michael, hello.
Hi, Nitin. How are you?
Good. So we're here at the OCP 24 Summit in San Jose. Tell us a little bit about what you do, Michael, and then maybe we can just go into a little more detail.
Absolutely. Happy to. It's an exciting time for Flex. So when you think about Flex, we've been around for 50 years.
Yep.
And we've built an infrastructure of, call it 150,000 people and 100 different factories and over 25 sites around the world.
Yeah.
And it's that EMS business that people have known us for.
That's what I know you
over
for.
the years.
Yeah.
And what's really important is to talk about over the last 5 years what we've intentionally built around EMS, but plus products, plus services. And through the lens of the data center, we're really using that strategy to solve for power, heat, and scale, which leads us to the products and services that we're announcing here at OCP.
Yeah, so there's two things. There's obviously the products and services, and that's beyond just the EMS. And then there's a partnership with JetCool, who's also beyond there. So tell us that whole strategy.
Yeah, for sure. So again, we see the market growing exponentially. No secret to anyone, very strong growth fundamentals in the market. But with that growth, we're seeing challenges emerge around power, heat, and scale.
Yeah.
And so from a power standpoint, with the advent of GPU innovation, more and more power is being consumed. And so we have a complete business around embedded power that helps our customers regulate power consumption at the board level. Okay. And some of the products that you'll see here in the ORV is really our latest solutions for power, embedded power around power shelves and power supplies.
That's on the bottom rack there.
And that's on the bottom rack right there.
Yeah.
Some other things that we're doing though is with the increased consumption of power, you're also generating a lot of heat.
Yeah.
And we're reaching the limits of air technology. And so we have partnered with JetCool to bring to market at scale the latest in liquid cooling technology, direct to chip, to help our customers solve for that heat challenge.
Okay, so I think earlier you talked about grid to chip. So I think what you're trying to say is you provide the critical power, you provide the embedded power, and then you provide that chip cooling.
You're saying it better than I said it so far, so
okay.
I'll reiterate it.
Yeah.
The solution we're bringing is a grid-to-chip portfolio that helps our customers innovate solutions to solve for power, heat, and scale. It starts with, once that power arrives from the utility to the data center itself, it goes to our critical power switchgear. All the systems in the data center itself. But then it goes into our embedded group to provides power solutions at the rack level and embedded in the server itself. And then you marry that with our EMS capability, and we can manufacture data center racks at scale in every major theater of operation.
Now, what surprised me when I was talking to you earlier is there's the way you engage with customers is very different in those different areas of your business. One is you're actually selling IP, and the other is you're selling systems and services as well.
Yeah, and that product portfolio and services portfolio has really created 3 different categories of customers for us that we engage in a variety of different ways.
Yeah.
We've got the hyperscalers, we've got the colos, and we've got the silicon providers.
Okay.
Now, the good news about the portfolio is we're at the leading edge of innovation with our embedded power group, because every one of these new designs has to account for increased power consumption.
Okay.
And so we're at the tip of the spear. And it enables us to really follow up with our products and services to solve for heat and scale after we've solved for that power crisis.
No, but I think what I actually was meaning to say is you sell the systems, complete manufactured systems.
Correct.
You sell IP, which your data center customers or hyperscalers will then use, and then you sell the services. Is that right?
Correct. I mean, again, people have come to know us for 50 years of EMS. Over the last 5 years, we've developed a product portfolio that has 2 different companies. One provides embedded power solutions using Flex IP.
Yeah.
The other provides critical power solutions using Flex IP, and that's very different.
Okay. Now, this is just part of the data center business, which is about $3 billion of your 26 billion revenue. What are the other areas?
Yeah, so Flex handles 6 different market categories.
Yeah.
In our Agility Solutions segment, we operate in consumer devices, where we do high volume consumer products, think things like mobile phones.
Yeah.
We have a lifestyle business that does really high-end durable goods for consumers, think coffee machines for Nespresso, think vacuum cleaners for Dyson, appliances for Whirlpool.
Okay.
And then it has our largest group called our Communications, Enterprise, and Cloud Group, which is what we're here today with.
Okay.
But then we have a whole nother group called our Reliability Solutions Group that operates in industrial, health solutions, and automotive.
Okay, and automotive is one of those areas. I think you're going to be in Europe as well with Electronica. You're going to be showing some of the automotive solutions. Is that right?
The great crossover about the solutions that we have in power and compute in particular is not only do they scale into the data center, but they're also the basis of our power and compute platforms into automotive. And so we see similar trends emerging in the automotive space that we're able to cross-pollinate.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Nitin, it's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.